Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable and adjust the captions always visible on Google Chromecast 4.0. And to do this you need to open your settings, so navigate to the right, then go for the System, Accessibility, Captions, and here you can enable or disable them. And if you want to adjust it, you can change the language, text size, and caption style, and that's the colors. You can use white on black, black and white, yellow on black, yellow on blue, or use the custom colors for it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.